Now that you've got your parts powder coated in your favorite Prismatic powders color, I have a product for you that will help keep those parts glossier than ever, help prevent future oxidation, and help keep them cleaner longer. This right here is Cerakote's Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant, and in this video we're going to go over why you and your customer should be using this on everything that you have that's powder coated. Alright guys, so this wheel right here has been sitting out in the elements getting all kinds of nasty. So let's use Cerakote's vehicle shampoo to get this thing cleaned up, and then we'll see how much of a difference Cerakote's Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant makes on this wheel. Now when you're cleaning the wheel, it's important to not use any soap with any waxes or ceramic additives. This will ensure that the ceramic paint sealant is bonding directly to the powder coated surface. Once it's completely clean and dry, the application process really doesn't get any easier than this. With this product, you get the convenience of a quick detailer, but with the performance like what you would expect from a professional ceramic coating. It's literally just a sprayed on, wipe it down, and lightly buff style of product. While applying, I typically give the microfiber a couple sprays first, and then I'll give a couple sprays directly to the surface. Then I'll wipe the surface down, doing my best to keep everything as even as I can. After the coating is applied, then I'll grab a second microfiber and lightly buff the coating until it feels extremely slick. Now, if that isn't the highest level of gloss and shine that you can get from a single spray-on application, then honestly, I don't know what is. This wheel looks night and day better than it did before we cleaned it up. Look how deep and rich the blue is, really allowing the metallics to shine as well. Also, this product is stackable, so you can keep adding layers of gloss, extending its life longer and longer. Now, not only will this enhance the look of things like powder-coated railings and bumpers, but it can also help protect them. See, what this product does, especially when it's regularly applied, is it creates a protective barrier helping to fight against the elements. And since Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant is stackable, applying multiple layers will only help make that barrier stronger. This can help prevent oxidation, making your custom gates, railings, patio furniture, and bumpers look as good as new for years to come. One question we commonly get though is, will it make a matte finish glossy? The answer to that is no. It was designed to enhance the original look of the paint or powder, so if you apply it to something matte, it will bring out a strong richness to the color, and if you apply it to something glossy, it will shine it like crazy. And this also has a 50 wash guarantee, so I don't know of a single other paint sealant that will last quite that long. And now to help demonstrate how Cerakote's Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant can help keep your powder coating cleaner longer, we powder coated this panel in order to help get a good visual representation of this with a large surface area. Remember though, it's the same powder coating on this panel as it will be on your custom bumpers, flatbeds, truck boxes, and trailers, so you can expect to see the same exact performance in real-world scenarios as you can in this test. We're going to apply the paint sealant on one half of this panel, and what we're going to be looking for is the hydrophobics, or in other words, how well it repels water on the sealed versus unsealed sides. See, what we want here is for the water to just roll right off of the surface without sticking and sheeting up. Picture yourself driving down the road while it's pouring down rain. Not only will that dirty water that's splashed up onto your vehicle quickly roll off the surface, especially at higher rates of speed, but the clean rainwater pouring down will also help rinse off all that dirty road mist. Let's go up in the woods and test what that actually looks like. Alright guys, so this right here is the aftermath after the big water splash from the truck. As you can see, the coated side looks much better than the uncoated side. So what we're looking for here is how well all the muddy water just falls right off of the surface. What we're going to be looking for is the sheeting versus beading, and that'll be pretty apparent right here. Alright guys, so right after that splash, as you can see, it's all beading. There's no sheeting at all. And let's go over to the uncoated side to see what looks different. So right off the bat, you can see all that mud just completely caked onto here on the uncoated side. Looks very good, but just pay specific attention to all that nasty gunk that is just absolutely stuck to the paint. We'll go back over to this other side real quick. That same area right behind the wheel well, there is no gunked up mud. It's just beaded. You could easily go and rinse all this off right now, which actually, I think we can do that. All that dirty, muddy water simply just rinsed right off. None of it stuck. It just goes to show how good Cerakote's true ceramic technology is. We also coated half of the tailgate. Let's see if we can see what side is coated and what side is uncoated. Thank you guys for watching, and if you would like to try Cerakote's Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant, it can be found at prismaticpowders.com as well as Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, and CerakoteCeramics.com. And if you would like to see more collaborations between Prismatic Powders and Cerakote Ceramics, let us know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.